very quick view here. It's Friday morning, July 1st, 2022. I began cutting the new linoleum block print in progress, aka lino cut. The El Banco Boidio, paid-to-view order of so-and-so. Your name could be there. 9,000 Boidy'O'S Bach. Oh, good. I'm glad you're expressing some interest in this. Very good, very good. There's going to be a parakeet here, kind of flying with the wings up there. All right, it's good to get positive feedback. The bird that's chirping over there, the white one with gray, is a museum, Berkey Working Museum curator, director, and chief art critic. Chi, C-H-I. Thank you, Professor Dr. Chi. Good work, good work. All right, to be continued. Example of a lino cutting tool I'm using here. All right.